Yo, Techfren stream. Oh, why isn't it starting? Starting soon. Probably less than 3 minutes. I think I'm gonna start it. Morning to you, McGee. Hope you're having a good morning. It's probably nighttime in most places, but you know, we here. We grinding. We're about to start. You guys are gonna hear this banger of a track. 2:22 in the UK. Damn, that's late. Saturday night. What a better way to spend your Saturday night. Let's go. We here. Save K4. What's up? What's up? You guys ready for the new intro song? It's crazy. Let me set the background. Hold up. I hope this works. Oh shit, it didn't work. Hold on. It will work. This? No, it didn't work. Hold up. The fuck? Yes. Alright, here we go. Oh, you're Kai. Yo, Kai, I was liking your ChatGPT generated animations. You gotta tell us how you make those. Make a Twitter post showing how you made those. I'd be really interested. If I make this smaller, does that change anything? No. Okay, awesome. Alright. You might be thinking, why is there disco lights? Let me tell you. We got a new intro song, and it's disco style. Wait.
When the weekend's here and you're feeling kinda low, bored and restless, don't know where to go, but you know that tech could be your saving grace. With AI by your side, you'll find your place. You're missing out on all the latest trends, but AI has got your back. It's your tech friend. When ideas are lacking, it's no need to fret. Just let the algorithms guide you. Don't forget. Hey, hi, ho, tech forget.
Yeah.
Don't forget. Hey, hi, ho, Techfren stream. Techfren stream is your virtual tree, and let the digital world be your guide. Techfren stream is by your side. Oh, oh, oh.
Techfren stream. Oh, why did the lights stop? Oh, they're back. Alright, I hope that hyped you guys up. That's the new Techfren stream intro. I think we can have a different song every day. And I'll play the classic one, you know. Yo, Bunk Make in the chat.
Stream, welcome to Techfren's stream. Techfren stream, welcome to Techfren's stream.
Yeah, shit. All right, let's get to the. That was Oh, thanks for the subs, guys. Sebastian. Sorry if I missed other people's subs. I should have played. Yeah, I don't know. Sean Prince, thank you. What was I saying? Yeah, shout out to Suno, man. It's all free as well. I haven't paid a single dollar for any of these songs, although I space them out. I only create like 2 a day. I'm not sure what the limit is. Alessandro, thanks for the sub. Oh, that took it out of me. Oh, I need to get some water. Damn. I actually have some old water here. Alright, we're drinking old water. X1, yo, Cyber Junkie, yo, we got some OGs in the chat. What's up? Alright. Hi, thanks for the sub. So, Uber for water. That'd be such a waste of money. I'm not that rich. Stuff has changed. Yeah, every stream is kind of different, right? Let me move myself. Okay. I will be. Thanks, Bonk. Yo, by the way, guys, have you seen Bonk Vape? I'll do a plug for Bonk Vape. Wait, I don't know if I can show this. I'm gonna do it anyway. So we got Bonk in the chat, and they make these vapes that look like phallic objects. It's kind of funny. So yeah, you know, if you ever wanted one of these, just head on to bonkvape.com. Yeah, anyway, we don't really cover vapes in this chat, but you know, we'll plug them out. LLamafile on Android is something I wanted to do. So do you guys, have you seen my video on LLamafile? It did pretty well. It's the ability to run LLMs without installing any third-party software. So yeah, they have these llama files. The smallest one, Tiny Llama, is less than a gig. It's the one I downloaded before. Now I want to see if we can run this on Android. So I'm gonna try that first up. No worries, Bonk. Let me plug in my Android. Hopefully my Bluetooth keyboard works if I do this. Yes, good. Kai says, can you give chat? You can give ChatGPT the GIF and say recreate the visual. Oh, really? Oh, it uses matplotlib. That's pretty sick. I guess anything in Python it can do. All right. So, Android phone. No. Android phone. Connect, please. Sometimes it just doesn't let me approve it. Oh, that shit is so annoying. Hold on, I'm gonna try like 3 times. Why? Okay. Retry. Cancel. USB debugging. Yes, okay, I think now it'll work. I just turn the feature on and off and it works. Alright, sweet. So first step, if you want to get this on your on your Android, go to Chrome. Oh man, this makes me lag. Open a new tab. We'll search LLamafile. Can you infect ChatGPT with malware? You can try, but the file system it uses in the code interpreter is not connected to an actual, it's like a virtual sandbox thing, so won't have any real effect. Okay, it's my Android. Oops, Apex Legends. I was playing a bunch of that. I am addicted to that game, unfortunately, but we're gonna close. Okay, LLamafile. And then let's download the small one just so it's fast. It's not going to be a very good model, but let's just see how many tokens per second we can get with it. And so the way I'm going to be running is, because apparently you can just run it as an executable on Linux, so we're going to use Termux, which is the kind of terminal you can get on Android. I'm gonna do an ls to see if do we have downloads. Yep, I'm gonna go cd downloads. I guess I can just use my computer from here, and it's still downloading, I think. Let's see, is it? Oh no, that's not my downloads folder. I think we have to go back into storage and then downloads here. Yes. tiny. I guess it hasn't downloaded yet. I think with this do not disturb, I can't actually see whether it's downloaded. Someone say yes. Kai, are you trying Manim? Is that like a Python animation library? Well, I'm just turning off do not disturb here a second. Okay, it's finished. It's called Tiny Llama. Alright, it should be there. Let's see. And then apparently we've just got // and then the name. Why isn't it here? Tiny. Yeah. How do you sort by date? Let's Google that. Linux, Unix, ls sort by date. -t. ls-t. Oh, not -it, ls-t. Is it the first one? Or the last one? Fuck, there's so many files. No. It would have to be this. Wait, maybe it didn't download here. Wait, where did it download? Alright, hold on, sorry. I'm having trouble finding the file I just downloaded. It is. Where is it? It says downloads. Chrome. Is Chrome downloads a different folder? No, it's definitely there. I have it in downloads. It's right here. What happens if we click it? It says downloading file again. What is this? This is no, this is. Maybe I gotta restart Termux. I don't know. Or hold on. Or go back and then back into it. Cat tiny. Oh my god. Tiny. Yes, okay. It's there. So now /forward tiny llama without the space. Why won't it do that? That should work in Linux. Is it /? What the fuck? Alright, hold on. Let me copy this. I can't copy in terminal? Yeah, I can. Copy. /forward. Paste. Permission denied. Oh, you gotta chmod it first? Which is this. So, Control C. chmod plus X. So this chmod gives you, oh my god. Actually, that's probably a good thing. Chmod plus X gives you executable permissions on that file. So we add our executable permissions on that llama file, and hopefully we can just run it now. No? Still no. Okay, this wasn't as easy as I expected. Huh. Let's see if anyone has anything asked about Android here. Android support. Is that possible? Home storage. Git cloning and compiling. Oh, you gotta compile it? We don't support running on Android yet. You'd likely run into an mmap issue. Damn. Okay, that was only like 10 minutes a waste of time, so not too bad. But it looks like you can't run LLamafile on Android. Supposedly anything after that, and yeah, no, nothing after that. Okay. Oh well. Let's move on. Let's have a recap of AI news. I keep getting these AI news emails, which I find pretty interesting. So let's go through them together, see what cool stuff has happened over the past couple days. Wait, what is this stream called? I forgot to rename it. Oh, it actually is. I think it's called the Big AGI stream still. I don't think I changed the name. Whoops. Let's just call it Techfren stream. I hope that updates it. Update. Oh, it does. Sick. Yo, 5 people watching on X? I don't think that's legit. I don't know. I doubt. I always doubt the X people watching. Yo, if you're on X, say something in the chat. Because, yeah, it's 5 views. I don't think it's 5 viewers. X. Jake Dobler, what's up? You've been testing different models, trying to get them to generate a crossword. Oh, see, this is the thing is, Jake, the LLMs actually kind of suck at letters and crosswords and Wordle stuff at the moment. But I'm sure there's a specific one. I mean, I think a lot of the crossword generators would actually not be actually LLM powered, but I don't know. I mean, you can Google crossword generator. And then I guess you could get AI to generate the words that you want in the crossword. Oh no, they got to generate via AI button. Oh, you can put a topic. Crossword puzzle about computers with 12 words. Whoa. There you go. That's pretty cool. So yeah, I guess check out ohmydots.com for that. Okay. Here's my latest AI news email. What's happening? The top news of the day is DeepMind's MOD paper, describing a technique that, given a compute budget, can dynamically allocate flops to different layers. Okay. I think that's a bit too technical for this channel. Mixture of depths. We kind of stick more on the application layer of things around here. So let's move on. Oh, it compares it to a mixture of experts. Okay. Wait, so actually maybe we should look at this. Dynamically applicate flops to different layers instead of uniformly. That's interesting. So I guess normally throughout a language model, transformer language model, everything flows through linearly through each layer. I guess in a mixture of experts, maybe that's not the case. And then mixture of depths is also another way that you can route the flow to give it a smaller flop footprint. That's pretty cool. With another router, it seems. A routing layer. Okay. Reddit recap. Concerns about LLM hype. LLM hype is driving attention and investment away from other impactful AI. Oh, I wouldn't worry too much about that. It's good that it's getting hype at all, I'd say. What's this button do? Why is it? Why do I got a notification on this button? Improving transformer efficiency. I think this is the mixture of depth thing we just read. Enhancing algorithmic reasoning with a new framework called Think and Execute. Let's have a look at this. Looks interesting. So we've heard of chain of thought before. program of thought. I guess it's kind of like the code interpreter. But what's think and execute? Applied to generate pseudocode prompt. Okay, that's kind of like code interpreter, but I guess the difference is use abstract functions to express the logic. Print statements to output, I guess, chain of thought rationales. Return the answer. Okay. I don't fully understand this, but I guess it's working better than chain of thought. Yo, Ronald, thanks for the gift. They compare it to the other methods, and whoa, on average it's actually significantly better than everything else. Did they have like an example? How do we actually use it though? Like, is it a prompting technique? Let's look at the paper. No comments. This prompt is constructed with pseudocode rather than natural language. Constructing a meta prompt. I don't want to have to read this in depth. I wish they kind of just gave the pseudocode prompt. Human written pseudocode. Oh. Wait, what? They human wrote that pseudocode prompt. Interesting. That sounds really annoying. Alright, I don't really fully get that, I think, but we're gonna continue. Yo, Mr. T in the chat, what's up? There's use cases of people doing clear text characters and prompts, so when someone pastes them into GPT, they produce different results. Oh shit. Text injection. I'm doing well, thank you. Oh, is that what you meant by the malware? That'd be interesting, yeah. Visual autoregressive models. Let's go prediction on device models. Octopus v2. Oh yeah, I saw this. An on-device 2B parameter model. I actually tried this on LM Studio, but it didn't, like, it wrote pseudocode, which was interesting, but I didn't really understand how you could get it to be real code. Because here they say create a calendar event, and they say it actually does all of this, but they don't supply like any code to do the Android interactions or anything, even though it says includes code and model. Wait, what? That wasn't GitHub. Oh no, it's Hugging Face. Let's see, what does it, do they have code? There's no code here. JPEG, JSON, benchmark. I mean, I guess I had a code snippet, but that's just to run the GPU. They don't have any like way for it to actually interact with the Android device per se. But I think I still have it on LM Studio. I'll kind of show you how it kind of worked, I think. Yeah, Octopus. Oh shit. Wait, actually I think I can do. It's just a 2B model. Full GPU offload. Oh, this is the wrong type of chat anyway. Oh yeah, here, I have one. I said below is a query from a user. Please call the correct function to generate parameters to call the function. Query, send a happy birthday message to my cousin Mike and remind him about the family Zoom call, human end. This is kind of like how they were prompting it, so I did that as well. And then it said, send Mike, happy birthday Mike. So this is obviously a function that doesn't really exist. They say that it interacts with the Android API, but I don't think this is actually how it works. And then it writes another like function interface of how it could work, but obviously the parameters are different and there's no actual logic on the actual definition. It's just the comment. Yeah. Wait, can you prompt? I'm gonna reload it. I wonder if I can get it to continue. Continue. Will it actually do the logic? Continue? Nope, doesn't do shit. I don't know if this is just the continue is broken. What's up? What did I miss? Hey, do you know how to rewrite character card to a custom API endpoint? What's a character card? Have you seen any local text-to-speech models? What do I recommend? I don't think anything's going to be as good as 11 Labs. Kaden recommends RVC. That's how people make song covers. Have I not moved to Olama yet? Actually, let's do that right now. I keep putting it off, but now's the day. We're finally going to get Olama. Well, there was a whole time where it wasn't available on Windows, but now it is. Oh, it's a preview, but I'm sure it's still fine. I was checking real-time TTS, Mr. T. I think that one was pretty good. But I'm also not sure if this is using a model. Oh, I guess it is. System engine. Using your system's built-in TTS. Yeah, okay. So it doesn't actually use a model itself. It uses your system's TTS. And you can use 11 Labs. So it's like a local software, but it's like a wrapper. It's not the actual TTS model. RVC can do voice calling from 30 seconds. Oh, let's check out RVC while I install Olama. Text-to-speech radio with RVC models. Peter, thanks for the sub. Let's check out RVC. Oh, at 404. I'm sure there'll be other ones, right? Hugging face. Olama is running. Well, it's just a terminal app. Run your first model. I was expecting a UI. No, surely there's a UI, right? Or you gotta first run it from the terminal. Oh, you also gotta get Olama Web UI. Okay. See, this is why LM Studio is good for noobs. You don't need shit. You just need LM Studio. Okay, Olama Web UI. Oh, this looks nice. How do you install this? Docker. No. Other installation methods. Nah, bro. Oh, what's Open Web UI? Can we use that? Silly Tavern. I've heard of that as well. What's Silly Tavern? I thought that was just... Is that the one that's for just characters? LLM front end for power users. Prompt crafting. Mobile support. Oh, cool. You can access it on your mobile if you run the server on your home network. That's pretty cool. Well, LM Studio now has JSON mode and multimodal stuff. I think Olama had multimodal. Maybe. Yo, Aladdin. What am I doing? I'm checking out a whole bunch of different AI stuff in parallel at the same time. Namely Olama, Silly Tavern, RVC. Oh, actually, dude, thanks for reminding me because I said I'd write notes. So let's open my note thing. My my notes. Okay, that was April 2nd. Let's make a new file. Put this here. What date is it today for me? It's the 7th. Damn, it's been 5 days since we streamed. General AI stream. No, it's called Techfren stream. I think that's what we called it. Okay, Techfren stream. Plan. No particular plan. Just checking stuff out. Events. Deep mind, mixture of depth. What was that second one we saw? Wasn't really that interesting. Download. Oh yeah, we tried to run LLamafile on Android. Didn't work. Not supported. Download Olama. Doesn't come with UI. I was surprised about that. I thought it did. We also want to check out RVC for local text-to-speech. We're also gonna check out Silly Tavern. Ooh. Make this bigger for y'all. Okay, so that's pretty much the plan and events. You can plug Olama into Silly Tavern. Interesting. Using Olama with Mistral and Nomic for embeddings. What do you do for embeddings? Like, what's your use case? Because I haven't really done anything with embeddings. Johnny Rocket, hey, did you see that AI movie making app? It's made a movie called The Human Centipede. I've seen the humans. Oh, I haven't seen it, but I know what the Human Centipede is. So I'm gonna assume you're trolling and not look into it. You can use RVC through Silly Tavern. Oh, that's sick. Yeah, I don't think LM Studio has any text-to-speech stuff enabled. 2024, April 7th. Okay. What has happened? Okay. All right. So Silly Tavern. It's just the installer. Simple command line based GUI. These videos are missing. I kind of want to watch a video of someone using it. Yeah, let's have a look. No worries, Johnny Rocket. It's good. I need people to test me because, you know, as we grow, more people will try to troll me. So I need to be ready for the trolls. I need to know when to, you know, if someone says, yo, have you checked out these? I gotta know that, you know, it's coming for these nuts. Or if they say, have you seen Ligma or Sugma? You know, I gotta be ready for that shit. Silly Tavern, let's have a look. You installed via docs.sillytavern.app. Okay. I just clicked there, get started, and I don't know, it was weird. Install Silly Tavern for free. Ultimate AI roleplay. Your waifu. Yeah, it seems like it's very specific for like characters and roleplay, which is not something I'm particularly into. But I do like the fact that it has well, there's a like the text to speech, and looks like it also has lip sync, and I guess it also does the character. Oh my god, this person's made Emma Watson character. This is, I don't know, this is kind of weird for me, but
How would I cook? I'm not a motherfucking chef.
What were you doing here all day then?
dude, this is pretty cool. AI girlfriend app. You can get Emma Watson as your girlfriend.
I went outside for a walk, took a nap, smoked a bit, chewed your shoes, waited for
Chewed
you,
your shoes.
bought your slippers, drank some beer, and smoked some more.
Dude, that's really
What
good
the
lip
fuck?
sync. What are they using
Why
for lip
there's
sync?
such a mess here?
Alright, let me pause that. It's getting slightly weird, but Solar for the LLM, faster whisper for speech to text, XXT, WAV to lip. Okay, we have WAV to lip. That's really sick. Damn. Alright, Silly Tavern seems focused on role play slash waifu, but has cool ability to integrate with extensions. And then I'm gonna paste these ones here, which is, this is really cool. Text to speech. So I guess there you go, Mr. T. One cool text to speech is XTTS v2. And then web to lip seems really sick. Yeah, okay. So that was Silly Tavern. I probably won't get it, but I do like the idea. Open Web UI. Mr. T, do you know if this is better than Ollama Web UI? Open Web UI? Oh, it's the same thing? Looks like it's the same thing. I've been avoiding Docker, so I'm just gonna avoid this from now. I get my info from the Outcast acoustics on obscure Mongolian basket weaving forums. You're funny. But yeah, I could definitely see acoustic people would like that. Is there a WAV to lip? WAV to lip space? There is a WAV to lip space. I kind of want to try WAV to lip. Compressed WAV to lip. Let's try this one. How does it work? You need to input video and input audio. Okay. Oh, this is theirs. Compressed model. All right, let me see. Do I have any input videos and models? I guess we could make some. I have this.
Welcome to the Introduction to AI course. Today,
How do I trim this? I think with FFmpeg. Let's ask ChatGPT. I'm gonna say write FFmpeg command to get first to make a new MP4 with only first 20 seconds. Okay. SS da 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 copy. Okay. So go ffmpeg -I input to AI SS no. Oh, actually input. Oh my god. Why did it copy the whole thing? Okay, whatever. It's just called output.mp4. Here we go. So now I have a
welcome to the Introduction to AI.
20-second video of myself talking. I'm gonna create a new video of me saying something. I mean, a new audio recording of me saying something completely different, and we'll see if we can lip sync it to me saying something completely different. Making AI Techfren stream. Yo, Brutal Strike, what's up? No, not an AI Techfren stream, but I definitely would use WAV to lip, similar to how I used HeyGen, to create like different language versions of my TikToks. I think that's a great use case for me. Hey, hello, what's up? This is not what I actually said. Bananas are not yellow, they are purple. What? This is AI, or is it? Okay, let's say that. Just talking complete bullshit, but that's fine. I'm gonna input the video. Ooh, how can I input video? Is it drag and drop? Doesn't seem to work, no? Hello? How do you input stuff? There's no input button. Select an... Oh, you can't input videos yourself?
Take a look at one of our spots.
Oh, that's annoying. Hold on. What about this one? Okay, this one can. Input video, input audio. Which one is better? WAV to lip or WAV to lip GAN? Let's just do WAV to lip. And we'll leave everything else. Generate? Oh, it's still uploading the video. Do you know any resources I can add cloth physics to my project? Blender? I'm not sure. That sounds... What format is your project in? That's probably a good way to find out what you need. Okay, let's generate. Oh, it is generating already. Docker desktop plus GitHub desktop plus Node.js plus Python have gotten me pretty far. Yeah, for sure. No, I definitely know that like Docker is powerful. I've just been avoiding it probably unfairly. Okay, I wonder how long this is going to take. We'll give it some time. We'll let that run. While that is running, I want to look up a video of someone setting up LLama with the web UI. LLama with UI Windows. Ooh, sorry. My mic is just like, if you tap it, it goes crazy. Would it be helpful if I were to compile my open source resources? Yeah, I'm sure it would. I know it's not hard. I've had Docker running before. It's no issue. Run your own local thing, LLama web UI.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back. In this video today I want to show you you can also connect it to going to a Docker. You
Docker.
have it subsystem for you download it if you're. And
I think like another reason is you
my
might have to restart your computer after you install
just
Docker, and that kind of will kill the
you
stream.
have it currently for Macs. But what you do is you basically just get Docker onto your system. So you download it from the Docker website if you're on Windows.
Oh, you get Docker CLI?
Mac.
I don't think I can do that on Windows.
This week we had quite a few announcements in the AI.
LLama was easy to install. Download, install, launch from PowerShell to run a different LLM.
Llama CPP, and it's just NVIDIA driver we have basically.
I mean, we could. Is there a way to point LLama to gguf file? Because I have heaps of files downloaded. Is there LLama docs? Yes, you can import GGUF. Nice. List local models. Okay, API tags. Where does it look for? Like, what folder does it look for? And then just set the path. How do we set the path? Read me quick. Importing models. Write a model file from. From. Oh, we also need a template. Yo, Elon Doge, what's up? What am I doing? This is kind of what we're doing. There's no particular plan. We're just like checking stuff out. I normally do, if you're new here, we do like AI tech / software. Typically. What has happened so far? I tried to run this thing called LLamafile on Android. It didn't work. It's not supported. Now we checked out this thing called MOD by DeepMind. It is less flops required to run LLMs. It doesn't run linearly through all layers. We downloaded LLama. It doesn't come with UI. That's fine. We want to check out how to point to local GGUF. I'm just trying to figure that out right now. We checked out Silly Tavern. That was a local software to talk to LLMs, but it's focused on like role play and waifu simulators, but it has cool abilities to integrate with extensions like speech to text and text to speech. And WAV to lip. I thought WAV to lip was really cool. I was actually looking for a local lip sync model, so we're testing it out on this space here, but it's been over 300 seconds and we still don't have our result, which is a bit sad. So I might have to try it locally later, or I can Google WAV to lip demo. Maybe there's another one. I can't seem to get it to run on LLama for some reason. OpenDevin? Did I try OpenDevin? No, I didn't try OpenDevin. I tried Devika, but also not with a local model. I tried it with GPT-4. I think they still need some work. Yo, NDC, thanks for the heart. Appreciate you. Have you run N8N? No, I haven't run N8N. Yeah, I've heard really good things about it though. We should definitely do an N8N stream. Oops. Let me put that in my notes. Notes. Do N8N stream. Oh my god, I can't spell. Yeah, okay, I want to see if I can find a WAV to lip demo. Elon says they tried Devika, ran fine on a local model. Nice. But couldn't do the job because Mistral couldn't do it. Yeah, Mistral's not a great thing. Tried Mixtral knows Hermes, same result. Yeah. Yeah, I just don't think, even with GPT-4, it was actually like the issue I had. I was really trying to test its browsing capabilities, and it wasn't like great at that yet. You can use MLC LLM on Android. What's MLC LLM? A universal solution that allows any language model to be deployed natively on a diverse set of hardware backends. And they got an Android demo. Oh, sick. Does it work with GGUF models or? So it's just an app. It's pretty cool. Let's have a look. Is it on the App Store? Probably. Play Store? Oh no. The APK that it just gives you to download. Slightly sus. Oh, but they have a GitHub. Android. Okay, so I guess you could check out the source and build it from source. That's good. That's good. Should we try that? I mean, I tried another Android app that you could run an LLM with. I think it was called Sherpa. It was okay. How do you get models onto it? Getting started, visit docs. Here we go, Android. Download the APK. Need at least 6 gigs of RAM. I have a S22. How much RAM is this? I think it actually has a lot, 8 gigs, yeah. That's pretty good. Source code, tutorial. Let's check it out there. Tutorial. Prerequisites. I think this is for installing it from source. Compile a model from Hugging Face. I don't want to compile my own model. Create Android project and compile model. Incorporate weights. Install. Bro, why is this so difficult? Surely you could just like open a model file. Why do I have to compile a model and embed it and shit? I don't know, it's a bit weird. I might just not do this, but maybe I'm overcomplicating it. Maybe it is a bit simple. Lure. Whoop. OpenRouter is an API aggregate. It has all these different models. It's also all formatted with OpenAI completion, so it plugs into any LLM. Enfacoila. I don't know. I don't know this language, unfortunately. Yeah, there was a playwright issue, Elon. I did fix it. Eventually. It's French. Oh, yeah, my French not very good. What does it mean? Do we have a web to lip demo? Anyone? Nope. Web demo. Yes. Video file. Max 20 seconds. That's so convenient because mine is 20 seconds. And audio file. There we go. Sync. Let's see how long this takes. Because I think the other one is still going. I don't think this is ever going to finish. If it takes more than 700 seconds, it's too slow. Well, what do I do? So this is what we're doing. We're just checking out AI stuff. At the moment, I'm trying to check out this thing called Wav to Lip, which is meant to synchronize your lip sync to any audio. So you give it a video and then you give it any audio, and it's meant to lip sync the video to the audio. Now I can run it locally, but I'm just trying to find something to test it online before I go ahead and run it locally, but it doesn't look like there's anyone. Oh, Replicate, of course. Replicate's awesome. I need to probably just put my billing into Replicate. I think this is not going to work unless I add billing. I think Replicate requires billing. Unfortunately, but we can try it. Run. Oh, it's running. Okay, maybe you don't need billing for this one. Awesome. Shout out replicate.com. Oh, sweet. It's actually working. That's good. Majid, thanks for the share. Alright, let's see this lip sync. Wonder how long it'll take. We can leave this to run, I guess. Oh, here. No. It failed. No. I don't think I can debug this. We can search for wav to lip. Here, wav to lip. Okay, there is a bunch of other wav to lips. Okay, no, there's one. Was this the same one? No. Oh, this model can't be run. Aww. What about... that's it. There's also this site called playground.com that's powered by wav to lip. I mean, powered by replicate. I don't know if it has wav to lip. Let's see. Oh, sorry. Keep bumping that. Okay, wav to lip. No. I think it's just images. Damn. I'm really interested in wav to lip though, so I might just download the source and try to get it running locally. Let's see. Oh, no demo. Okay, so I think this is the official GitHub page by Rudrabha. Shout out to them. Oh, it's by SyncLabs. Oh yeah, I tried SyncLabs before. I think. No, I didn't. But I'm gonna try it now. Yeah, let's try it. Let's try SyncLabs now. New project. Video. Audio. Oh, they have a bunch of different models. There's wav to lip plus plus, sync 1.6, and sync 1.5. Okay, so sync 1.5 is old. Low resolution faces, fast, free forever. Okay, looks like sync is their best model. Let's see how good it is. Okay, everything's uploaded. It's starting. They said the wav to lip plus plus is fast and free forever, so maybe we don't even have to download anything. What we do need though is some model to generate a different language voice for me. So I can, yeah, have multiple language voices. Pretty much I want just like a free alternative to HeyGen. But I don't think we're going to get obviously the same quality as we would have if it was HeyGen. Still cool though. Yeah, okay. Close this. Just gonna close all these extra tabs. And we'll leave this running. Okay, where were we? YouTube stands on Sora. YouTube says OpenAI training Sora with its video would break the rules. Claude has the tools capability. Yeah, I think I need to do a Claude dedicated stream as well. Because Claude has tools and I think a bunch of different stuff they released. So they have the blogs. Is it Claude blog? Claude introducing Claude? No. News. Yeah, here we go. Oh no, they don't even have the tools post. Maybe it was just an email. Oh, here we go. Claude functions and external tools. Yeah. Vision, embeddings, Google Sheets add-on. You can now call Claude in Google Sheets with the Claude for Sheets extension. That's pretty cool. Didn't know that. I feel like there was something else about files and docs. Claude docs upload. There was like something around that, or Claude knowledge base. I remember getting an email about that. No? Guess not. I will leave it. Cohere releases Command R. Oh yeah, I've heard about Command R. What's this? What's so good about that? Most powerful model built to excel at real world enterprise use case. I think it's just a really good model. Try it on the playground. AI waifu, enjoy her. 128 contexts. It's pretty good, but it's pretty big. There's no way I'm running 104 billion parameters locally. Another use case is large scale dataset cleaning. Verify statements using RAG. Okay, not really any use case for me, but it's good that there's like these open source models that are nice and big and that can compete with, you know, GPT-3 and 0.5 and Mixtral and stuff. Still generating the video here. Google's gonna monetize their AI-powered search. Interesting. Apple MLX reaches 100 tokens a second for a 4-bit Mistral 7 on M2 Ultra. That's pretty good, I think. M2, yeah. It's not even their latest one. Boy, they can run a 104 billion parameter model with QLoRa on an M2 Ultra. What the hell? That seems pretty impressive. 104 billion parameter model on a M2 Ultra laptop. QLoRa fine-tuning Command R in MLX on a single M2 Ultra. It's fine-tuning, but is inference the same as fine-tuning? The hell is MLX? MLX framework. It's like Apple's machine learning library, I guess. An array framework for machine learning for Apple Silicon. Pretty bullish. Pretty bullish. Damn. AMD is making its ROCm GPU computing platform open source. That's a great move, including the software stack and hardware docs. Awesome. All right, Twitter recap. Google's training LLMs over neurally compressed text. What does that mean? Neurally compressed. Outperforms byte level baselines by a wide margin. Alibaba's Qwen 1.5 was released. Nice. Shows competitive performance compared to the 72 bill model. Multilingual stuff. Cool. REFT, representation fine-tuning for language models, proposes 10 to 50 times more parameter efficient fine-tuning. It's a pretty big margin. Apple's MM1 multimodal LLM pre-training. How they did it. LangChain Weaviate integration. Weaviate's the vector store, right? Yeah. Claude function calling, yep. We have that auto rag. What's that? Auto rag, which automatically finds and optimizes rag pipelines. That's pretty cool. MLX is PyTorch for Apple Silicon. Okay, yeah, that makes a lot of sense. Good analogy. Let's have a look at this auto
You can
rag.
easily evaluate various RAG modules and find the optimal combination for great RAG performance. I'll show you how it works. First, you need to prepare your RAG evaluation dataset. As you can see, I already prepared for this tutorial. You can download it from our Hugging Face like LE5 dataset in AutoRAG version, or you can make it on your own with our RAG evaluation new project folder.
They have an
You need to make it
evaluation
before you
dataset.
start optimization process. Make sure if you change your data, you need to make another project directory. Next, you have to make your configuration YAM file for optimization. You can see we have various YAM file. And this config YAM file contains all information about what RAG modules do you
Pretty
want
complex. Probably
to
won't watch
test
the whole thing.
and how to
Way for testing and evaluating RAG models, I guess. Yo, user, what are you saying? LLM model 4. For what? LLMs as compilers. Think and execute framework to decompose reasoning LLMs. Expressing task level logic in pseudocode. Visualization of thought prompting. Enabling LLMs to visualize reasoning traces and create mental images. Wonder what that looks like. It's like a little graph. Interesting. Nice. Alright, my lip sync's ready. Oh, it's watermarked. Oh, well, whatever. Let's just watch it. Hello? How do we... Here we go. Hey, hello, what's up? This is not what I actually said. Bananas are not yellow, they are purple. What? This is AI, or is it? It's not very good. It's like 60%, 70,
Hey, hello,
maybe
what's
80%
up?
good.
This is not what I actually said. Bananas are not yellow, they are purple. What? This is AI, or is it?
It's really good with the jaw movements, but the teeth and the lips, I don't know if you guys can see that. Here we go. It's not great.
Hey, hello, what's up? This is not what I actually said. Bananas are not yellow, they are purple. What? This is AI, or is it?
I kind of want to compare that to the WAV to lip model. See how different it is. 'Cause I think that one should be worse, but we'll see. WAV to lip. I wonder if we get the watermark on WAV to lip as well. It's not bad, yeah. It's like 80% there. But like, if you saw how good HeyGen was, like, HeyGen was like pretty much flawless. It'd still be like good enough for what I wanted. Yeah, dude, HeyGen was so good. And the other cool thing about it's for my use case is translating. HeyGen takes care of the creating the audio as well. Whereas this, you have to create your own audio and combine it. I wonder if I can show you the HeyGen example. HeyGen is, yeah, so convincing. Do I have the... How do I see what I've made? Video translation. Here. Oh, does it show my original one? Guess it doesn't. This. Oh, let me try to find the original. Uploaded AI. Oh, hold on, I'm gonna have to search for it. Okay, yeah, this is
The
the
burrito asked, what's the difference
original
between a quantized model and models which aren't quantized? Great question. So a quantized model has had some hacks to it to make it smaller. So essentially what a model is a bunch of weights. And what weights are is numbers. These are like... Okay, that was me talking in English. And then I went into HeyGen and said, do it in Spanish. And look at this. ¿Cuál es la diferencia entre un modelo cuantizado y modelos no cuantizados? Un modelo cuantizado es más pequeño debido a algunos trucos. Entonces básicamente un modelo es un conjunto de pesos y los pesos son números. Estos son números de punto flotante. Es como un array multidimensional, estoy seguro.
It's literally perfect. Like my voice, the video is perfectly lip synced. There's no weird artifacts. It's just crazy. WebRPBR says, HeyGen only do 1 hour of video? I don't know. I think it can do whatever, as much as you want, as long as you pay them. Actually, yeah, maybe it is limited. Video translation. You can get 90 credits for 360. I don't know. It says talk to them. Like, if you want to talk to them, you can probably get more. I would know you didn't speak Spanish. Exactly. Like, that's how good it is. But yeah, so unfortunately, SyncClouds is clearly got some weird artifacts.
This is not what I actually said. Bananas are not yellow, they are purple.
And also, they don't create the translated audio either. So yeah. Urban Dance Tunisia, thanks for sharing the live. Okay, what's next? Datasets, text to SQL dataset, nice. I think Amazon is making some cheaper GPUs. If you're interested in that. Maybe Google as well. Oh, Google Colab now has L4 GPU instances. Yup. Memes and humor. I don't think that's a very interesting meme. Google presents Transformer 2. Wait, what? Oh, it's a joke. Was that even on April 1st? No, it's April 6th. You misscheduled your April Fool's joke. Lol. Joked about the first super fast RAG app. NumPy brute force similarity search. Mamba mixture of X roads diffusion QLoRa 1.58-bit model trained using JAX Rust Go Triton TPO and RAG. Meme. Okay, Discord recap. Let's go. What's about this L4? I think it's just a type of GPU instance that was probably previously not available on Google Colab. I don't really know too much about it personally. Can I share this link? Yeah. How can I do that? Come on YouTube chat user. Go YouTube /@Techfren. Techfren. And in the chat there, go YouTube /@ There, it's in that chat on YouTube. Command R, we've seen that. Anthropic tools. Quora. Jetmo.
Interesting, a new mixture of experts model. No worries. If you're looking for an endpoint UI, anything LLM works well. Oh yeah. How does that compare to OpenRouter? Isn't that what you suggested before? Or are they different things? Reft, axolotl, mixture of depths, we've seen that. Elm Studio gained a new community page on Hugging Face for sharing GGUF quants. Oh yeah, we've seen this before. Community models. Oh, actually, maybe it was different. Not that good, but did I manage to try Hume? No, I haven't actually. We could do that this stream. Hume.ai. Is it free to try? We'll find out. Nice. Hello? Hume?
All right, let's do this. Well, hello there. I am Evie, the empathic voice interface. Glad you found your way to me. Sorry, I am not Hume. I am Evie, the empathic voice interface they created. How can I help you today? Nice to meet you.
Cool. I just wanted to test if I can interrupt you. So can you say a really long sentence?
You got it.
What color is a banana? Oh, damn it. That wasn't long.
Let's see. I will hold on to
The demo is slightly broken. Let's try again. But it's cool. It's got the whole like emotions thing.
Well, look who's intrigued. The whole emotions thing. Huh. I gotta say, I am impressed. You picked up on that. So, what's got you curious? Spill the beans.
Can you say a really long sentence or just these short sentences?
Short and sweet. Got it. Let's see here. How about this? Emotions are where it's at. There, that's about as long as I'll go. Short and sweet. Got it. No? So tell me what's got
color
you
is a
wondering
banana?
about the
Oh, nice.
banana?
Oh, that actually worked really well.
Bright
Look,
yellow, of
user
course.
interruption detected.
You know, I bet if I could see your face right now, I'd spot a hint of curiosity there. Well, color me impressed.
That
It
was
looks
pretty
like you
good.
got the hang of. Why, thank you.
I keep interrupting it though, but oh shit. I wish I could pause it. But that was pretty good. Anything LLM is more of a web UI. Oh, okay. Tell it a joke? Okay, let's tell it a joke. Why did the chicken cross the road?
The age-old riddle. Well, now I'd say that chicken was one curious fellow, huh? Probably just wanted to get to the other side and see what all the fuss was about. You know what they say, the grass is always greener.
No, it was actually to see his flatmate.
Oh, I see a little twist on the classic. Clever one. I should have known that chicken had an ulterior motive. I gotta keep those flatmates on their toes. Am I great? Well played, my friend. You've got me stumped on this one.
Why did the flatmate not say hi?
A new one on me. Let's see here. Did the flatmeat forget its manners? Or maybe it was just too, well, flappy to get the words out. I am afraid you've got me scratching my head on this riddle. Care to enlighten me?
Because it was too flat. It didn't pick up on my
I should have seen
laughter.
that one coming. Flat as a pancake. That flat meat was just too flat out to say
Flat
hello. Good one. You really had me going there for a minute. Nicely done with the wordplay. You're quite the comedian.
Yeah. I mean, that's It's still really good, but like, do they? Let's see. Do they have docs? They have an API. They do have an API. Yeah, but it's like kind of limited in the sense that I think it's just for talking. But like, can you? I guess you can train a custom model. But like, can it be productive? Like, can it be used as sales? Can it be your assistant? I don't know. I don't know about any of that. It sounds sarcastic AF. Yeah. How configurable will it be? Customize assistant prompt, speaking note, voice, LLM, and tools. Okay, so it can use tools. That's pretty good. What's the pricing? That'll be competitive. Okay. Ask it how to leverage the API. Okay. I also like how I didn't have to sign up to test it. How can I leverage your API to do tasks? Tasks. Hello? Ugh. I don't think it heard me. Hey Evie, how can I leverage your API?
Well, now I am not just some API to be leveraged.
Whoa. It got pissed off, dude. It got pissed off. What are 10 ideas I can use with the Hume API? Have I looked into MetaGPT, TaskWeaver, and Crew? Yeah, I've seen them briefly when they came out, but I haven't done like extensive like orchestrations, I guess, with them. But they do seem pretty cool. Okay, some huge latency at the moment, it seems, with Hume. But yeah, I think like obviously the whole selling point is really clear. They have a lot more emotions that they can express and I guess understand as well. So that's really cool. Alright, let's move on. Claude Opus on top. Yeah, I think Claude Opus is definitely the best model competing with GPT-4 at the moment. Unsloth, very good. As always. Perplexity. Nothing too interesting there. Stable Diffusion 3 release is not out yet. Fine-tuning API gets a makeover. Okay. GPT is soulless compared to Opus? Okay. Yeah. I mean, if that's what you're looking for, more character and soul, but I guess for a lot of my use case, it's just I want answers and facts and like logic. And I think GPT-4 is pretty good with like the reasoning. But my biggest concern with GPT-4 is it's kind of lazy, whereas Opus seems to, you know, do more full what you said, I guess, if that makes sense. Junjin, thanks for the follow. LM Studio lacks web search. Yep. Models. Eurus 7B. Offering improved reasoning abilities. I haven't heard of Eurus. What's Eurus like? Released 4 days ago. Apparently it's better at DeepSeek Code or at LeetCode. What? Is it on the Eval Plus leaderboard? Let's see. Eurus. No, it's not. Interesting. Maybe we should try Eurus. It's a fine-tuned Mistral and Code Llama. The fact that it's outperforming DeepSeek 33B, which is number 4. Wait, no, that's the Instruct. No, yeah, wow. No way. Is Eurus really that good? I'm gonna download it right now. How come no one's talked about this? Search Eurus. Eurus 7B. Eurus 70B. They have a 70B? No, we just want 7B. We got the 8 Q8. I'm gonna let my homies on the Open Interpreter Discord know that it could be a good model. New. What's SFT? I think something fine-tuned. What do you get? Opus seems to believe it has a purpose and thus is motivated. Nice. I think Opus by that virtue is closer to a true AI than GPT. Yeah. And it's better with abstract ideas like metaphysics. But GPT is undeniably more functional. Yeah, that's a good comparison. Okay, we'll let Eurus download. Okay, nose research. Dynamic function calling. Wait, hold on. My eyes feel strained, so I'm just looking away for 20 seconds. Okay. Oh, there's an Unsloth AI Discord. I should be a part of that. Oh, I already am a part of that. Am I? Yo, what time is it here? 12:49 p.m. How about you? Where are you coming from, Junjin? Your name sounds Korean, but I don't want to assume that you are. Mojo Discord. Yo, Gazilla, what's up? Oh, you're in Malaysia. It's 10:50 a.m. Oh, that's pretty close to me. About 2 hours difference. I'm skimming through the list of these. Cloudmaster's tools, Ref, Keras, Python, CUDA mode. Disco research. Mobile GPU. The hell is this? 4090 mobile. Oh, it's for the laptops. Sick. Oh, that's sick. Look how small that is. Oh, and they sell it at JB Hi-Fi for $3,000. You know, it's not terrible. That is not terrible. Oh, it's not a computer. It's just an external graphic dock. What the hell does that mean? Does that mean if you have a computer with like a shitty graphics card, you can just plug this into it? You can plug it into a Steam Deck. Oh, it came out a year ago. Damn, this is the first time I'm hearing about this. Joker, what's up? We're just checking out AI news and just doing research. Nothing in particular. I kind of want to... So there's this graphic dock thing.
Most powerful handheld gaming console right now. And this is an NVIDIA RTX 4090 mobile GPU.
Can you use it for LLMs? Yeah, definitely.
Which we can connect to
I assume it's just like having a 4090 plugged into your computer, but...
Ally for a massive FPS boost in games. It makes...
Wait, is it only for Steam Decks and stuff?
4K gaming.
Oh, is it only for Steam? Oh no, you can put it into a tablet.
Hey folks, this is the Z13 from Asus ROG.
Because the connector isn't USB, it's something weird, so...
Limited. Along the left side you can find a single USB-C Thunderbolt 4 that for some reason cannot be used for charging, and the external proprietary GPU connector delivering 8 PCIe lanes.
It's a proprietary GPU connector, so you can't just put it into any computer. Still a cool idea. I think there's like already some external GPU options, but didn't know you could get a 4090 externally. That's crazy. Skunk works. Alright, detailed bi-channel summaries. Man, this thing is so extensive. I think though this is just more into kind of the same thing. I kind of want to try that Euler 7B model. Did we get it? So if you guys weren't here about 10 minutes ago, there's this new 7B model, which I think is, oh no, it's still downloading, called Eurus 7B, which apparently is better than DeepSeek Coder 33B, which was the best. Oh no, that's a 70B. Ah, my bad. So it's not as good as that. Okay, I misread it. So I normally go off this Eval Plus leaderboard, and they have GPT, like DeepSeek 33B, as the best like local model for coding, and Eurus beats that in 2 metrics, but I didn't realize it was the 70B model. So I'm downloading the 7B model, so it's not going to be as good. But apparently it's better than Magic Coder at Theorem QA. What's the best 7B model here? Open Code Interpreter. They don't even put that on here, so I don't know how it compares with that. But Magic Coder, for reference, is at number 10. I'll still try it out. Joker says, I have an Edge TPU. It works for the PyCoral stuff, inference, etc. Edge TPU. What is that? Run inference at the edge. Whoa, that thing is so small. Is it the Coral chip? Can you run 7B models on this one? So small. That's awesome. I've seen this. People post this. So can you like run a inference server with one of these Coral devices? Let's have a look. Coral AI. Help you bring local AI to applications from prototype to production. Oh, that's so cute. Look at the dev board. It's only 120 bucks. It's pretty good. Or you could buy the USB accelerator for 60 bucks. And you plug it into a Raspberry Pi. That's pretty sick. Let's look at some examples. Code examples. What about like actual? I like YouTube. I like seeing a video. Coral AI. Google just turned the Raspberry Pi into a supercomputer. Okay, so it's kind of like you just plug it into like a Raspberry Pi or something. What would be a good video to watch on this? I run advanced models on the Raspberry Pi.
64-bit OS, I'd also suggest getting some fast storage in place. I'll be downloading dozens of models, each around several gigabytes, and micro SD.
The image is of a man standing in his living room, smiling and posing for the camera. He is wearing a brown hooded sweatshirt and making a peace sign with his hand. In the background, there are a few...
Okay, so they run like 7B models on it. Like Lava, which can do vision. Pretty sick. Pretty fast as well, it seems. And only for like 100 bucks. You have it on an Orange Pi. Nice. 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 Okay. What were the next sections of this? Bunch of Discord stuff. Yeah, okay, then that's it. Sweet. So I'll add Eurus. Another good seeming 7B coding model. Okay. And it's finished downloading. I think we can just use Mistral on it. I hope. The Mistral template. I'm going to test it with Open Interpreter. Let's do that. See if we can write some good code. Let me see if Open Interpreter has any kind of updates or releases, or I don't think there's any official release. What about some skills import? Very interesting. My latest, nice, it's finished. My latest version of Open Interpreter is kind of broken though. Mistral, let's do Mistral instruct. Run a local server. We're gonna have to bring the GPU down. Here we go. Alright, let's see if I can run Open Interpreter here. Or I run it in... Do I have a workspace? I think... Oh, yeah. Workspace, okay. Does this work? Oh, wouldn't be the local one though. Okay, we have a local server running with Eurus, but I do interpreter -- local. LM Studio. Okay, so
I want to say, can you get the file size, the size of each folder in C program files? Here we go. Let's see. It's going to use a PowerShell script. That's very interesting because normally these models, the ones that I've tried before, try to do everything in Python. Get children path recurse where object container. I don't want it to recurse through every single folder in the folder though. Is that what it's gonna do? It might. I don't know. I'll run it. If it takes too long, I'll stop it. But let's see what happens. We'll give it 15 seconds to run something. Oh, here we go. We got some output. Looks like an error. Oh, one of the folders is denied access to. That's okay. Let me reset. Write a script to get the size of every folder in. Let's do a different folder which we'll have access to. Where's my programming folder? C/programming. Let's see how it handles that. Here's a Python script that can achieve this task. Okay, so now it's doing in Python. Maybe because I said write a script. Maybe. Using OS and sys. I think that means that it's gonna actually try to do it for every file. Like it's doing OS walk. I think that's going to do every file. So I'm gonna give it some follow-up to say, because I've had it do this before and it just takes too long because there's just so many like subfolders and files. So I'm going to say no, use a library so that we don't have to traverse every subfolder and file as this will take too long. Let's see if it can handle that. You're right, using libraries can help optimize the process. You can use the OS module in Python to get the directory information without traversing every subfolder and file. Here's an updated script. Great. Using the OS module. I don't know if that was actually, I think it was traversing everything. We'll see. Or is it still going to do OS walk? Okay. I think it's just going to be the same the same kind of. Oh no, before there was a sub, there was an n squared, another for loop, but now it's actually just straight away getting the thing. Oh no, it does have a for loop here for file and files. Let's get it to double check. Can you confirm this script does not traverse through subfolders and files? I think it does. I think that's what this does. We don't want that. Let's see if it can confirm, review its own code. Why did it stop? Yep, here we go. My apologies. I'm correct. The previous script still traverses subfolders. That's not good, but I like this test. This is a good test to see
how models go about reasoning. I think there's a library they can use called pathlib, which avoids this. But they're not going to do that. Oh, this might work. Can it do it without pathlib? I'm gonna give this a go, see how it goes. Yo, Cam, what's up? What am I trying to make? I'm testing this new 7B model called Eurus. I don't know if that's how to pronounce it. EURUS. With Open Interpreter. I'm trying to get it to just list the file size of every folder in this directory, programming directory. And I'm trying to get it to do it without traversing through every subfolder because that takes way too long. And I think this might work. I don't know. We're going to run it. Okay, so that quickly got the total file for all folders. Now we're going to say update the script to print the size for each individual folder. That's sick. Great, Cam. I'm glad you think that's awesome. If you like this type of content, make sure you're following me. I'm not sure if you are. I don't think I've seen you in the chat before, so but welcome. This is the kind of stuff we do here: software development, AI research type stuff, AI application levels. Not really too technical, but yeah. Uh-oh, it's going back into its for loop. I guess it kind of has to, because previously it was doing it all in one line. Alright, we'll see how it goes. But it ran this one so fast, like that took less than like 5 seconds. Let's see how long this one takes. I'm just gonna run it without getting it to check that it doesn't like, what is it? Doesn't recurse too deep. Run. Okay, errors. OS errors. Let's see if it can debug its code. Tim Owens, thanks for sharing. Debug this error. Apologies for the confusion. It seems that there was an issue with the way I used the OS. Overall, I think this is a pretty capable model. It hasn't got stuck in any loops, which we sometimes get with the other models. It is able to write new, different scripts every time, which is something that, you know, sometimes the other 7B models would just write the same script over and over again, despite the feedback. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. We should in the future compare them. I don't know if my conversations are saved with Open Interpreter. Oh, I do have the logs. I do have LM Studio logs. So I think I can open these logs and save them from here. Yeah, I'm going to do that from now on. Just so I can compare and etc. Alright, let's see if they fixed the bug. No, same bug. Okay, that's not a good sign. Did it? Apologize for the inconvenience of the way I use OS list dir. So previously they had OS list dir here, and then they changed it to. Nope, they kept it the same. Oh no, this is yeah, it's still the same. That's not good.
So it is kind of writing the same code over again after I say debug this issue. In my previous explanation, here's the corrected version of the script that should work as intended. Then it kind of, okay. That's no good. Seems like it's getting the end token for Mistral, but it didn't actually fully finish it. What's the context length here? 32K, that's pretty good. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna save these logs in workspace logs. Let's call this Eurus 7B open interpreter file size script. Okay, and let's compare pretty much the exact same command or exact same goal with my what's another, this one, open code interpreter 6. So this is officially the highest 7B model on the eval plus leaderboard, so should perform pretty well. We're about to find out. Is it using? I'm not sure what model, what preset this is supposed to use. Is it a Mistral? Nope. Is it a llama? Doesn't say. Tune. User prompt. I forgot what model this uses. Let me check. How long will I be streaming for? Not too long. I think another like 20 minutes if I was to guess. Have a look at the Zephyr preset. Yeah, I think Zephyr. It's a user assistant. Yeah. Wait, oh, did I make an open code interpreter? I did, actually. Oh, I did have an open code interpreter preset I made. Okay, so it's that one. Open code interpreter. Okay. Open code interpreter. Accept new system prompt. It's fine. 16. Reload model. NJ, thanks for the follow. Alright, let's see how this model compares to Eurus. We will reset. I'm going to just close and reopen interpreter just to make sure it's going to be a good reset. Studio. All right, the same prompt. Write a script to check the file size of each folder in C programming. Kai says, have you ever thought about trying to create your own AI tool / website? Yeah, I have a couple I can show you. So the first one I made is Timestamp Genius. It generates YouTube timestamps with AI. You just put a URL here and press submit. So let's create one from my last live stream. If I haven't already, or even if I have already. I think I might have already put one down. I hate how the comments are so far low. Okay, but yeah, you just copy the URL, put it in here, and it should start creating timestamps for you. Hopefully. I don't know why. It normally doesn't take this long. It could be an error. Unexpected end of JSON. Yep, definitely some issue. Let's try again. I don't know why. Could be broken. Or maybe this doesn't have a... No, it should work. Okay, looks like it's broken. That's not good. Let me try a different video. I don't know. Could be broken now. It shouldn't be. I haven't made any updates. Oh. I could have run out of credits. I might have run out of credits. Let's have a look. No, I don't think so. Where's billing? Where do I see my credits? My billing was cancelled. Oh. Bro, that's why. Oh, man. I meant to cancel my GBD Plus, but I accidentally cancelled my billing, which is like the complete opposite of what I wanted. I'm just going to re-enable it here. Give me 1 sec. Hopefully it works right away as soon as I re-enable billing. Yeah, so annoying. So annoying. And I'm just gonna buy $10 of credits. Oh, that's actually so dumb. Okay. We've got credits now. Hopefully it works right away. I don't know. We'll find out. Let me go back to that video. No, still not working. It might take a little while to kind of actually implement the billing. Yeah, that's annoying. Sorry, but yeah, that's one of my things. I was thinking of some sort of extension app. Still thinking of the idea. I have a Chrome extension called Clickless Cage that I'm working on. It's like a web browsing AI. That one's open source. You kind of give it a prompt, like add an event in my calendar, and it like goes through the website, clicks buttons and stuff for you. I've actually been working on that a lot the past 2 days, but I've kind of taken a break today. But when it's ready to show, I'm going to do another stream showing it. I have showed it on stream many other times. Okay. Okay, open code interpreter didn't wrap. I don't know if it didn't wrap it in Markdown, so I guess it didn't know to execute it. Okay, now hopefully it'll ask me to execute it. If the LLM doesn't wrap the code in Markdown, open interpreter doesn't know it can run the code, unfortunately. So hopefully this will fix it. So it's recursing. Also, I don't think you can name variables with a colon in it. This is not good. This is actually pretty bad. Yeah, look, it's gonna... Oh, no, I shouldn't have pressed yes. Make sure not to recursively... wait, no, I'll do what I said to the other one. Use a library so that we don't recursively go through subfolders and files, as this would take way too long. Let's see if we can take on this feedback. Kai says a cursor with AI integrated that translates text into speech with LLamafile would be cool. Yeah, like you can talk to it. Yeah, that could be interesting.
I think like in the future when all of these models and stuff get really well, like just the O1 Lite or just the hardware where you can talk to your computer from anywhere would be sick. Write the code. Okay, it's gonna use. So already I'm thinking that Eurus is actually better than Open Code Interpreter. It definitely worked a lot better. Before. Okay, nice. This time it didn't mess up the file name either. OS walk. Apparently OS walk generates file names in a directory by walking the tree either top down or bottom up. Well, let's just see how this goes. If it recurses too deep, then just a bit sad. Yeah, look at that. It's constantly in that for loop. I can't really tell if it's going through every folder or subfolders either. Let it run for like a minute. Kai says it translates text that you have highlighted and even speaks it out loud. Oh, like to a different language? What do you mean by translate? Cam says, could you chain a model to come up with detailed steps that passes to these models for accuracy? Yeah, definitely. Yeah, but at the moment, I guess it's like a lot of manual work to do that. There should be a good way, like there are the orchestration frameworks, maybe that's a way, like Hume.ai and stuff. I don't know what the best way to do like the prompt chaining is. Yeah, I'm not liking this double for loop. Alright. That's kind of like a fail in my books from Open Code Interpreter. Just gonna save this logs. Open Code Interpreter. Yeah, so I think Eurus 7B could actually be a really good model for coding locally. We can test it actually. Let me load it again. We can test Eurus 7B with some actual code, like Copilot style. Let me show you guys my Clickless Cage project. So this is the Chrome extension I was talking about. That should, now I'm actually gonna try get to run the Chrome extension with the shit thing is it refreshes all of my tabs. That's fine. So I'm just going to do a very basic example. This is what it looks like. I can just tell it to go to YouTube and search cat videos. Hopefully it can do this without a problem. I think I have to start this server. Oh, I think I might have refreshed it. Hold on, let's try that again. Go to YouTube and search cat videos. Okay, this should work. I think it's running a bit slower than I expected because I'm running this at half GPU offload, when normally I run it at full offload and it's like instant. But because I'm streaming, I can't do full offload. There you go. See, it went to YouTube and searched cat videos. That's obviously a very simple task for it, but we can take that a lot further, and that's my plan in the future. Yeah, and this is a completely open source project, so I would love if anyone wants to help out with it. check it out at aj47/clickerlesscage. But we won't be doing much dev on that today, I don't think, unless I take a break. I might. It would be a good idea. Instead, what I'm going to do is I use this extension called Continue. And Continue is like GitHub Copilot, but it can also work with local models. So I think if I just did DeepSeek Coder, I'm pretty sure this points to LM Studio, so it doesn't really matter what model it is. We can feed it. Oh shit! What context window do I have? Oh, 16,000 is fine. We can feed it some code and get it to edit the code. So let me see what's some code we could edit. Oh yeah, I have this here. I have this code. Let me close this. I have this code, process response. It's really big. It's about 43 lines of code, and you can see it's mostly if else's, right? If, else, else, if, else, if, else, if, else, if, else, if. And there's another nicer way subjectively that you can do this type of thing, and that's with the switch case style of writing this. So instead of else if, let's do switch case. I want to see if we can do that with AI. So instead of me writing this, I highlight this whole thing. I go Control-Shift-M to open. Oh, it's opening double. But we'll do it with continue. Oh no. Hold on. Oh, here we go. Right click, continue. Oh wow, it has add docstring, write comments. That's really cool. Let's try write comments for this code. Will that work? I think it's doing it. I hear my computer doing stuff. Yep, okay. It's definitely come in. It might just be really slow though, because we're not doing full GPU offload. There we go. Added comments to the entire code block. Start editing here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, that did not work very well at all. I'm gonna reject that. Let me disable the double extension. Double disable. Okay, we need to restart extensions. Okay, okay, now hopefully now it will work. Control Shift M. No. Damn it. How do I get into the continue chat? Fix this code. Oh, add highlighted code to context. Oh, Control Shift L. Okay, great. Now go /edit. Change the if statements. Let's go if else statements in this code to be using switch case instead. Switch statements instead. Let's see. Can I do this? Oh, we already got an error here. No, hopefully it's fine. Is it? No, I don't think it worked. We had an error with the trim. Let me try that one more time. So they're saying it's Control Shift L. Okay. Edit. Please work this time. No. Okay, there's some errors now. I hadn't get these errors before. Looks like it doesn't work now. Damn. Alright, let's we'll just use I'll try to use Claude, I guess, with double. I'm gonna re-enable double. And okay. Wait. Nope. Ooh. 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 Okay. Shit's messed up. Alright, there we go. Okay. Nope. We go double from here. Damn. Alright, don't worry about it. Normally this works, but I guess there's some issue with continue. I don't know if we can manually update this. I don't think you can. Switch to pre-release version. Yeah, no. I don't know why it's broken. Anyway, guys, I think I'm gonna wrap up the stream here. I hope you all enjoyed it. Let's get the conclusion. Oh, I closed it. We can reopen it through this. Techfren videos journal, April 7. Okay. So we tried to run LLamafile on Android, didn't work. Checked out some news, Silly Tavern, mixture of depth. Ollama didn't come with UI, I kind of gave up at that point. RVC and WAV to lip is something that we also checked out, so I might put that there. Wait, where is this? Check out WAV to lip. Works about like, I'm gonna give it 70%, but nowhere near as good as HeyGen. Check that Eurus. Seems to actually be really good for open interpreter. I was really happy with Eurus 7B. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Someone said do an N8N stream. Definitely considering that. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Johnny, thanks for all the comments. June, Cam, Joker, Caden, actually, you're the MVP in the chat. Pretty sure you had a lot of good insight. Oh, Johnny Rock has been here for ages. Thanks, Johnny. Yeah, Mr. T was here at the start. Ronald Duck. Thank you guys so much. Omega, thanks, guys.